Hi, it's Nick. This is the MK17, the brightest and the most flexible model for dental photography. You can check out the detailed specs on the product page, and I'm going to show you the product in use. There is 4 options for you to choose from: the light only, the cross-polarization kit, the macro photography kit, and the full kit. Now let's try them all one by one. We start with the light only. We use it for face photography and intraoral photography. Let's take a couple of photos together. The next option is my new cross-polarization kit. It has new accessories that can help you remove any reflections in the photos, so it fits for any dental photography protocols, and the results are fantastic. You're gonna love it. Let me show you how it works. Now we're using the cross-polarization accessories. Let's turn on the light. As you can see, there is still lots of reflections. Let's take a shot, and now all you have to do is to spin the CPL filter until you get rid of all the reflections. Now let's compare the photos. No reflections with cross-polarization. And this is the photo without the cross-polarization. The third option is the macro photography kit. It contains the 100mm macro lens. The difference between this macro lens and other macro lenses is the shooting distance. With our macro lens, you can shoot photos and videos from 6 to 10 centimeters away. And with the other macro lenses, the shooting distance is only 3 to 6 centimeters. Let's take a couple of photos. The fourth option is the full kit that contains all of the above: the light, the cross-polarization accessories, and the macro lens. Follow my store to get the discount and to be aware of the new products and accessories in our store.